video, I'm going to talk about why you don't need to do
glute activations
before a workout. Hey YouTube, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. It's your trainer Remy here. On my channel, we deck all things fitness education, workout tips, glute growth, muscle growth, and so much more. Glute activations have become a fitness influencer trend. After conducting research, I realized that glute activations aren't actually necessary. If you don't know and you're new here, glute activations are basically
bodyweight exercises that people do to warm up their glutes or activate their glutes before a workout. This can include donkey kicks, fire hydrants, banded exercises.
When you're doing glute focused exercises or exercises that target the glutes, it's already implied that it's going to activate those muscles because the exercise itself targets those muscles. If you had to activate your glutes to do a glute exercise, that exercise probably isn't targeting that muscle. A lot of that has to do with you actually being more advanced and your glutes can tolerate more, so you won't necessarily feel that glute burn in every single exercise because you have a stronger glute endurance. If I'm doing a really heavy weight for, let's say, only a few reps, I won't feel that glute burn. And I always used to associate that with, oh, my glutes aren't working. But in fact, they were working because I felt it the next day and I saw the progress. The only thing is you didn't feel the burn. If you're doing an endurance range, you'll feel that glute burn, but that doesn't necessarily mean your glutes are working or not. If you don't feel that glute burn, your glutes could still really be working. Now, I'm going to talk about why activations aren't actually necessary. When you're doing glute-focused exercises or exercises that target the glutes, it's already implied that it's going to activate those muscles because the exercise itself targets those muscles. So let's say you're doing a hip thrust. You don't need to activate your glutes to do a hip thrust because when you're doing your hip thrust, your glutes will already be charged and be activated because they're targeted in that exercise. If you had to activate your glutes to do a glute exercise, that exercise probably isn't targeting that muscle. It's your choice. It's up to you if you still want to do them. If you feel they help you out, that's totally up to you, but give it a try. See if activations really work for you or if they're really just all in your head.
Thank you guys so much for watching. If you like this video, be sure to give it a big thumbs up. Check me out on all my other social medias. They will be linked down below. Make sure you subscribe. I'll talk to you guys in a couple days in my next video. Bye for now.